Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make gummy candy without gelatin and agar agar. We'll focus on a super easy method using a common plant-based ingredient. This approach ensures your homemade treats are suitable for various dietary preferences. Get ready to learn a simple, fun way to create chewy, flavorful gummies right in your own kitchen. It's a straightforward process that yields delightful results every time. To begin, gather your simple ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of your favorite fruit juice, which will provide the main flavor. Next, grab 2 tablespoons of high-methoxyl pectin, our star gelling agent. Also, have 1/2 cup of granulated sugar ready, along with 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. A touch of corn syrup, about 1 tablespoon, will ensure a smooth texture and prevent sugar from crystallizing. Now let's get cooking. In a medium saucepan, combine your fruit juice, granulated sugar, and pectin powder. Whisk these ingredients together thoroughly to avoid lumps. Place the pan over medium heat, stirring continuously until the sugar and pectin are fully dissolved. Once dissolved, bring the mixture to a vigorous, rolling boil for exactly 1 minute. This crucial step activates the pectin. Finally, remove from heat and stir in the lemon juice and corn syrup. After cooking, carefully pour your hot gummy mixture into your chosen silicone molds or a parchment-lined baking dish. Let them sit at room temperature for at least 2 to 3 hours to fully set. If you're in a hurry, you can pop them into the refrigerator for about 1 hour for a quicker set. Once firm, gently pop them out of the molds. Store your delightful, homemade, gelatin-free gummies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 week. Enjoy your delicious creations.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.